8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
As a young girl, Ari looked into her telescope, dreaming of exploring the far reaches of space, her imagination working overtime as she gazed out into the unknowns of the galaxy. What originally felt like an impossible out-of-reach dream, the opportunity was suddenly within her grasp when the machining teacher at her local CTE school invited Ari to join the team of students on the NASA HUNCH program. HUNCH stands for High Schools United with NASA to Create Hardware. Working remotely with the NASA team, Ari and her classmates were responsible to take the print, create CAD models, and code the part in Mastercam. Using the combination of Mastercam and the CNC machines, the students milled out components of what would eventually become part of the box that would go to the International Space Station to be used by the astronauts. For Ari, the weight of this responsibility was substantial as she inspected the part, because her name would be on the records certifying that it was made correctly. For every part made, every person involved is listed, should any failure happen in the future. Upon completion and certification, each of the students on the team was invited to add their signature to the locker before it was stored and eventually ready to be sent via the SpaceX rocket launch.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ignition and liftoff of the Falcon 9 to the space station on the first commercial launch from Kennedy Space Center's historic Pad 39A.
Pad operations on Pad 9A.